Hey, everyone, thinking about starting a YouTube channel in 2024 but have no idea where to begin? You're in the right place. Your channel profile is the very first impression you make, and getting it right is a total game changer. Let's break down the 3 most crucial parts to get you started. First, your banner and profile picture. Think of them as your channel's billboard. They need to be high quality, eye-catching, and clearly show what your content is all about. Are you a gamer, a chef, a vlogger? Let your visuals tell that story instantly. Next up is your channel description, the About section. This is your chance to use keywords and tell viewers in YouTube's algorithm what you do. Keep it concise, engaging, and make sure it tells people why they should subscribe. Finally, don't forget channel links. Link to your other social media or website. This helps build your community off of YouTube. And that's it. A killer profile ready for 2024. For more tips, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.